All right, you evolutionary mistakes. Today we're talking about the black and white bastard child of bear DNA and depression, the panda, a fluffy bamboo-eating doom ball that refuses to move, refuses to fuck, and somehow still exists. Let's find out why nature rolled a critical fail on this one. Scene 1. The laziest fucking bear on Earth. First off, pandas are bears, technically, but unlike grizzlies who can rip a moose in half just by looking at it, pandas are out here sleeping 14 hours a day, rolling down hills like stone bowling balls, and putting negative effort into survival. They eat bamboo, which has the nutritional density of a fucking sponge. It takes 14 hours a day of nonstop chewing just to not die. That's like eating celery for 7 years straight and wondering why you have no energy to fuck. It's like if you ran your car on Capri Sun and then wondered why it couldn't go uphill. Scene 2. The Great Bamboo Conspiracy. Pandas evolved from carnivores. They have the teeth and digestive system of a meat eater. But somewhere along the evolutionary path, they looked at a rabbit and said, "Nah, bro, that looks like effort. I'm just gonna eat salad forever." Their guts are straight up not built for plants, so they have to eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo per day just to break even. That's not eating, that's leaf-based suffering. Scene 3. Now let's talk about sex, or lack thereof. All right, let's get to the real problem. Pandas don't want to fuck. They have one of the lowest sex drives in the entire animal kingdom. Scientists have literally shown them panda porn, actual panda sex tapes, and they're like, meh. Females are only fertile 1 to 3 days per year. That's 1% of the time. And males, they're too busy rolling in mud and eating bamboo like sad vegan linebackers to notice. It's a fertility window tighter than a nun's asshole, and they still miss it. Imagine the entire fate of your species depending on whether or not 2 fat, sleepy bears feel horny for 15 minutes on a Thursday. Scene 4. Science time, motherfucker. Why don't they care? Because evolution got lazy too. They've got low testosterone, weak instincts, shit-tier mobility, and no real predators anymore. Because humans stepped in with breeding programs and desperate optimism. In the wild, pandas are like, hey, extinction doesn't sound that bad. Meanwhile, scientists are in hazmat suits, jerking off pandas and collecting semen like it's the fucking Hunger Games. Ending punchline. So why are pandas lazy? Because they eat dumb shit, evolved like a stone koala, and now live off human sympathy and taxpayer-funded panda tinder. And why don't they fuck? Because even nature gave up on their sex drive. They're fluffy, cute, and a complete biological disaster. A teddy bear designed by an intern. And we're out here fighting to save them, while they're too busy scratching their balls and ignoring panda porn. Science, bitch. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it makes a panda.